Hey guys, it's me again, and today I'm making the best chicken parmesan of your life. But if you're old and you're watching this, then whatever is left of yours. To start, I got chicken breast and cut them into fillets, and then used an ice cream scoop to beat the chicken because I'm not fancy and rich like your sugar daddies. Season the chicken properly because we don't want our food to be bland like your love lives. In a hot pan, sauteing minced garlic, onions, and bell pepper in vegetable oil. Add tomato sauce and seasoning. Saute well, and that's your marinara sauce. Reserve some on the side for your spaghetti or pasta. Just like your relationship, the coating for the chicken is complicated. Season 1 cup all-purpose flour with salt, pepper, and paprika. In another bowl, add 1 cup panko crumbs and Parmesan cheese, and then in a third bowl beat 2 eggs. Coat the chicken in flour first, then eggs, then the panko crumbs. Coat it well and set it aside to rest for 10 minutes, before frying on medium-high heat until golden brown. Unless you are miserable like me, then don't put your hand in the hot oil. 10 don't recommend. We'll listen to that. Top the fried chicken with some marinara, Parmesan and mozzarella cheese, and broil for 5 minutes till cheese is melted. I tossed some spaghetti in that marinara sauce and added a kale salad on the side. And there you have it, folks. The best chicken parmesan of your life. I think I was Gordon Ramsay in my first life. Just kidding, he's the GOAT. Okay, bye.